by preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Add your oats to the blender and process them until fine. You really want to make them smooth to avoid the banana bread having a sort of gritty taste. Add in the cottage cheese, followed by the eggs or ripe bananas, brown sugar, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda, and about 6 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey for some sweetness. I should also mention that the brown sugar is optional. Feel free to leave it out if you prefer your banana bread less sweet. Add in the oats and process until smooth. Add walnuts or chocolate chips if you prefer. This is totally optional. Transfer the batter to a lightly greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. That's approximately 23 by 13 centimeters. As a tip, you can sprinkle a few rolled oats on top of the batter before baking to give the banana bread some nice appearance. Bake in a preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. I hope you enjoyed watching this cottage cheese banana bread recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.